sinasabi mo? Ay, kapag mo may boss ko dito. Itlak kasi, nag-video eh, parang bobo naman to eh. Ako, nagigigil ako sa'yo, baka...
Hey guys, so this is our day one Leon, and I didn't vlog that much because at that time it is very cold. But basically we just went to the places that is near the hotel, and the first thing that we saw is the Basilica of Notre Dame. It is a very beautiful church, and there's a panoramic view of the whole city of Leon that is really beautiful. Bonjour! So, it's our day 2 in Leon. Hindi ako masyadong nakapag-vlog ng first day kasi sobrang lamig talaga, as in. And now, we're out and about. We're just gonna go around the places na nakita namin sa TikTok. Merong itinerary there. And then tomorrow, we're going to Geneva, Switzerland. Day trip lang din. Kasi nakita namin na super mura. Like 34 euro balikan na. So, that's what we're gonna do. What? Try it! So now we're just roaming around the city of Leon. And then, oh, forgot to vlog already na kumain na rin kami before heading here. We went to Five Guys.
May jonak dito.
So, we went to Five Guys for lunch and slash breakfast, brunch. Kita nila yung Jonah. Perfect talaga kayo. Wala na tayong ginawa kundi gumastos. So, come along with me. Go. Go, girl.
Wala na nga pera.
We wanted to go to this fountain, pero parang wala naman siyang tubig. Ano?
May in-between drink ka ba dyan?
Be, gusto ko teardrop. Ito.
I mean, yeah, you can pretend na you're leaving.
So, ito yung fountain, pero ba't wala naman siyang...
Maybe. Saint Paul Assist.
Parang wala naman siya. Nakakaloka. Pero parang ito yung ano nila, no? Shopping center nila.
Yeah, I think so.
Because there's a lot of like
Can you check from
luxury brand here. Tama si Shena. If you wanna have a chill Paris experience.
No, France.
No, Paris specifically. Kasi parang yung vibe niya parang gano'n.
I mean, like, if you wanna go to France but you want to go to like a chill place, go here sa west or sa south. Because it's a lot chiller and more...
Pero siguro ang dami, hindi rin kasi sobrang daming tao. And
Tsaka,
hindi
I mean,
katulad
like,
sa Paris na
similar
super
lang din
overpopulated.
actually kung gusto mo lang din yung shopping. Meron, same lang. Meron
I mean,
din
mas
sila.
wider yung options sa Paris. Pero siguro dito, if mas gusto mo ngayon chill lang, wala masyadong tao. Kasi, I think Leon is more of like mga old heritage and more of like old
Pero
places.
sa
And
Bordeaux, sabi ni Matt, ano to, rich area daw siya.
yeah. Kasi
So, baka
mga
meron.
wine talaga.
So, baka
Like,
meron
farm talaga ng... So, this is gonna be an interview
About what?
about life. Oh, but talaga si Beverly. Beverly,
House life.
how's life going?
Rough.
Rough?
Why?
I'm
That's
broke.
a big word.
I'm broke
I am
as fuck.
broke as
I was begging my parents for extra allowance, and my mom earlier doesn't want to give me some.
She said, wala rin akong pera.
Yeah, but she's out there shopping for carpets. Like, give me the money instead. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, life has been wonderful.
Yeah.
It's rough, yeah, but like, it's okay. We're
Rough
getting
because
through
in France, it's not just in France, but in Europe, it's super expensive when you spend your peso here. It's like parang 1 second, wala na siya.
it. Like
Parang
our,
yung 6K, parang dumadaan lang siya
yung
ng
sahod namin ng 1 month, nagagastos namin in 1 week.
Exactly. Yeah.
In 1 week, that's like a 50K in Philippines.
Yeah.
Maybe
Beverly,
naman.
how's life going? Get in the
No.
frame.
I wanna go home. I
You
miss
wanna
the
go
Philippines, yes.
Pag ikaw pinauwi ni Lord talaga.
No. Not yet. Wala.
Me, I'm super blessed and thankful sa mga na-experience nating
Yeah.
travel. Feeling, kasi pinag-pray ko din naman siya talaga. More travel. Tapos, traveling pa with Shenna and Bev. Oh. Perfect! Perfect na friendship.
Na-homesick daw si Bebe.
Na-homesick ka na?
Kami hindi. Parang hindi
Hindi
tayo
nga
na-homesick,
eh,
no?
kasi
Magkasama
I'm
kasi
your
tayo eh.
home, you are my home.
Oh!
How feeling? Angie, where are we? Hindi, siguro kasi, parang used to na kami magkasama.
Yeah.
Na parang, for me nakukuha ko na yung comfort ko kay Shenna.
I think same.
Yeah. So parang,
Kaya parang
hindi, oo. Tsaka kasi girl, yung mommy namin parang everyday halos or every other day tumatawag. So parang, I feel like we're just working sa different city, pero they're just there. Parang ganun.
Pero for me kasi, sanay na din ako na parang lagi mag-isa. Like sa condo.
Uy, hindi mo
Hindi, I mean like, parang nasanay ako na nalayo na sa kanila. In an early age. Hindi, pero when I was younger kasi, parang I was used to not being around my parents a lot. Kaya parang, it's fine. I mean, it's not fine, pero I don't know, I'm adulting, I guess. I don't know.
It's good and bad. Good
Yeah.
kasi bata ka pa lang.
Parang natuto
Natuto ka na
maging
mag-independent.
independent.
But you know, independent women sometimes need the attention and the
I
words
get-
of
I get-
affirmation.
I get the attention that I needed from my parents, pero like not like physically. That's why I'm not like a very physical person. Kasi I'm not used to physical affection.
Yeah. Siguro din kasi hindi rin naman ma-physical din sila tita eh. Hindi rin
Ako,
sila yung
ma-physical kay mama. Like every time. Talaga. Parang alam mo yung squeeze talaga kung squeeze. Ngayon, like ngayong tumatanda lang. Ngayon ako naging ganun. Pero nung teenager ako, sino ka dyan? Alam mo yung teenage, ano talaga, yun, nadala siya. Alam mo yung, ang sama ng ugali mo. Nahulog na nga siya at tinawanan mo pa.
Why?
Ganyan kasama ugali. May nahulog na nga, tinawanan
Cute niya
pa.
kasi, para wala nangyari. Ganun dapat.
Alam ko kasi yung video ko eh.
Bi, bakit ayaw mo ano?
No, I'm shy.
Sarap.
Papansin.
So, may motto kami dito. Kasi diba, gastos kami ng gastos. Parang, when we go to places, magbubook agad kami ng other places na pupuntahan. Pero kasi, 2 weeks lang yung vacation namin na like super, alam mo, haba. So, we're just taking it for granted. Ano ito? Ito, papansin to si Beverly. Sino ka dyan sa shyness mo dyan na ano? Hala, patingin niya.
I'm a private person. Oh my God.
Oo, hulog mo nga sa fountain.
Sipahin ko kaya to.
Yeah.
Tulak ko kaya to.
Pero yun yung TikTok ngayon.
Ang daldal niyo naman.
Gusto ko na ngayon
Ba't ang ingay?
mag-podcast. Sa apartment
Pwede
natin.
tayo mag-podcast, guys.
Pwede. You can set up your place.
Pero hindi ka magsasalita.
Hindi, kayo lang.
Siya yung cameraman.
So yun. May nakita kami ditong like wedding dress shop. Di ba guys, pwede naman yun. Magsusukat ka lang para you know na kung ano yung gusto mong cut. And you have the idea. Pero sabi ni Shenna, I don't know if totoo. Comment down below. Comment down below!
Go!
Kung totoo na pag ginawa mo hindi ka na ikakasal. Dead mo, ate. So, that's it. Say bye-bye. Beverly, hindi mo naman sinabi ko anong viewing mo sa life.
Kaya,
Alam niyo kung bakit? Di kasi siya, wala siyang problema kasi madami siyang pera. So, hindi tough yung buhay niya dito.
sabi niya,
Sabi niya, so easy.
pero meron. Sabi niya.
Pero alam mo, sa friend, unexpected din tong friendship na to. Super.
Akala ko nagpaplastikan lang tayo.
Oo nga, kaya ang unexpected eh. Na ang galing kong plastic. Yung parang, oh my gosh, kaya ko pala.
Uy, pero alam
Mas
ka
bata
lang.
ako, I think ganon, same. Pero now, na older, like kung ayaw kita, bahala ka dyan, you don't exist.
Parang, ito kasi si Raven,
Ako kasi, I cannot fake it.
Kasi you can
Kasi
already
makikita
see
mo
it.
talaga.
Pero
Kasi
ako,
for me, I'm just
kinakausap
wasting my time if kakausapin pa kita for no reason.
I mean, like, kakausapin like in a, kunyari.
Hindi kasi parang kung di na kita vibe,
Hindi, I mean, like, kunyari, accidentally na you bumped into each other. Parang,
Ako hindi talaga
I can talk to them.
ang sama ko, pero snob talaga ako pag di ko gusto yung energy. Lalo na pag may ginawa sa kaibigan ko or may ginawa sa akin na towards ng kala niya hindi ko alam, pero alam ko.
Yeah.
Hindi ako mag-act na okay. Kasi gusto ko malaman mo na may ginawa ka sa akin.
Shit, ang sama ko palang tao.
Oo.
Kasi ako, alam mo yung sa
I'm very
loob-looban
real.
ko. Sa loob-looban ko.
Feeling.
Baka you're just being civil.
Oh, I'm being civil, pero like, internally.
Tangina na.
Tangina naman ito. Ba't mo
Oh,
ako kinakausap? Parang
Oo,
ganun.
parang ganon.
Oo. Pero, parang,
Baka
Psycho
hurt yung feelings niya.
Pero hindi ako talaga, makikita
I'm
mo sa
being
mukha
casual
ko.
lang talaga, civil.
Hindi ko talaga kaya, darling. Pag ayaw kita talaga, ayaw kita. Direct to the point. Ikaw, Bev.
Right now, at this age,
I don't give a fuck na.
No, I don't
give a
give a
fuck
fuck.
era.
Give a fuck.
Hindi kasi parang ngayon,
Waste of time.
ang tanga ng mga tao ngayon eh. Parang kailangan mong sabihin
I-please.
mismo
Yeah.
para malaman nila na hindi tayo vibe or hindi nga.
Ano,
push it.
yan na yung sinasabi namin ni Chef Aaron na self-awareness.
Yes.
Walang self-awareness.
Siguro lang din, natuto na ako yung what they call boundaries.
Huh?
Ay! Grabe na yung TikTok na to. Hindi, seryoso. Grabe na yung parang boundaries ko din sa self ko. Hindi na lahat pinapapasok ko. Hoy, pasok mga suki. Hindi na
ba?
ganon. Bakit? Ako?
Hindi na lahat pinapapasok.
Hindi na lahat. Meron lang mga ibang bagay na gustong pumasok. Oh my
Sa
God,
buhay
Mom.
ko.
Sa buhay ko. Oh my gosh, Mom, if you're watching. Exit mo na, Ma. Pero ba't kayo ganun? Hindi ba kayo ganun? Parang as you grow older, parang yung boundaries
Oo naman.
nag-e-exist na.
Ano na kayo, parang as you grow older nga parang bilang na lang sa finger mo kung sino talaga yung you consider as friends.
Yes.
Kasi
parang
nung
when
bata
you
ka,
were in high school, parang
Lahat
Oo.
friends.
lahat friends.
friends mo.
Yeah, but normalize
Kasi nandun ka sa
it.
exploration din, na parang makikita mo yung types of friends na gusto mo. And gusto mo lahat friends mo. Ganon din mo kayo.
Hindi.
Ako ganun ako eh, high
Dati,
school.
be, kapag bobo ka, hindi talaga kita kaibigan.
Oh my God,
Kapag,
you're so mean.
hindi, be, seryoso. Alam mo, nung high
Malala
school
siya
ako,
dati.
malala talaga ako. As in,
Sobrang
sobra.
lala niya.
Ngayon lang ako parang naging
Chill.
Naging chill na yung personality. Hindi na ako super cold-hearted. Pero dati talaga,
Hurt you.
no one. May inner child. Tapos ayun, parang,
Grabe naman yung Range Rover.
basta yun.
Grabe ADHD, be.
Ano talaga, ewan ko ba. Basta mabait na ako ngayon. Mabait. It's
Pero
like,
at least, makikita mo na may growth
Oo.
in you na may mga binabago ka. Kasi may mga tao talagang
But you
shit.
can say no, no?
I can't say no.
Yeah. Minsan.
You can
minsan.
say no?
Can't
Ako dati, I can't say
Nahihirapan.
no.
ka mag
Pero ngayon,
Hindi ko alam.
no talaga.
Minsan, depende, situational. Paano? Give me a scenario.
May nakatingin sa atin.
Give me a scenario.
Dead mo ate ko.
Like, for example, sa
Kainin
family,
ko, uhog ko, be.
like may nag-ask sa'yo ng favor, or kahit a friend lang, favor, kunwari may gagawin ka talaga that day.
Feeling ko depende si Shena.
Depende.
Siguro kung ako, yes lang siya.
Oo. Tsaka sa family. Like, family dyan. Yung pinaka-close friends ko, yes ako. Pero like, lagi ako nagnuno. Kunyari kapag yung mga acquaintance ko lang before, sasabihin nila na, labas naman tayo. Wala ka dyan.
No.
Ba't ikaw ba?
Hindi, nandun ako hard.
Pero case to case kasi siya, situational. It depends. Si ano nga eh. Diba? No nga ako dun eh.
Ang ganda yung music. Bugsh, tugsh, tugsh.
Yung mga nag-aaya ng dates before, no din ako eh.
Anong not like that?
Situational talaga siya. Situational. Depende talaga.
Siguro lang nagiging
reunion na may hindi ka gustong makita doon. Ganun.
Ayun,
Or
wala.
like
Wala akong
high
ako.
school, what do you call that? Yung high school reunion, yung school reunion.
Ay, hindi talaga pupunta. Kapag kunyari,
high
ayaw ko
school
talaga.
eh. Oo,
Kunyari,
pag
kapag
hindi mo
hindi
gusto
ako
yung environment.
comfortable, hindi ako pupunta talaga. Madaming kinoconsider ko as friends ko talaga. Like, yung Enderan friends tsaka St. Paul friends, yun lang. Yun lang yung friends ko
Tugi
talaga.
friends.
Yun nga, yung St. Paul. Yung Bedan, yun na nga yun. Oh, sorry guys. Friends ko
Oh
sila.
my.
Friends ko sila, pero we don't keep in touch anymore.
Yeah.
Pero kasi, let's
But that's
normalize that
normal.
one na meron talagang different circles.
Yes.
Tapos
Kasi
meron talaga
syempre,
yung
as
friends mo
you
talaga
grow
na-
older, parang you
Fall
have
apart.
different
Circles.
hindi, parang
You grow mag-grow kayo apart.
you grow separately. Tapos syempre, what you like before,
It's not the
nagbabago.
same. It's not the same.
Kunyari, unison kayo before na ganito yung gusto nyong gawin sa buhay. Pero kaya, kasi syempre, hindi naman lahat pala, nakapag-aral din like in college. So, alam mo yung different environment affects the ano ba tawag doon? Different environment affects how you view life.
Pero kasi kabahan ka din kung walang changes na nagbabago sa buhay mo. Yung kahit good or bad na walang changes, parang stagnant ka lang. Parang
Buti kabahan ka na.
kabahan ka na parang contented ka lang sa kung ano yung
Alam mo,
same nangyayari.
ang dami na nangyari sa buhay niya na parang,
Yeah.
what's the point of living if you're only revolving your life around money?
Actually, depende talaga sa background and life experiences ng tao.
Kaya alam mo,
But for us, sa Philippines, you cannot be like that. Na
Kasi-
YOLO. Kasi may pamilya ka ding...
tsaka it's hard to find money in the Philippines, unlike
Exactly.
here in Europe. Di ba?
Mataas kasi dito. Pero, ang ano dito is liking work.
Pero ang bilis mo maghanap ng part-time job, tapos makakapera ka agad. Sa Pilipinas kasi kapag maghanap ka part-time job, McDonald's, 3K lang monthly mo. So,
Yeah.
paano ka mabubuhay dun, di ba? Unlike here, na mas malaki pa sahod mo kung part-time ka.
Oo. Exactly.
What's your driving principle in life?
Kaya if you wanna be freelancer, go here in Europe.
Pero pero hindi kasi namin din na-experience like
punta ka na.
first hand. Hindi namin na-experience first. Pero for sure, mahirap din. Kasi lalo na crowded na tong Paris. So parang mahirap din talaga maghanap. And dito talaga guys, kung ayaw nyo yung pahinga, yung work-life balance, okay, pumunta dito. Kasi work talaga.
Meron naman. May work-life balance siya. Depende na lang sa'yo kung anong
Pero
klaseng
alam mo
work.
yung iba kasi yung freedom na nagagawa natin sa Pilipinas compare dito eh. Gets mo ba? Paano ba explain? Parang
Hindi kasi alam mo,
mas...
ano kasi
Oo.
tayo eh. Meron na kasi.
Pero,
hindi
gusto mo yun, may
hindi natin
mga-
talaga alam.
ano lang siya doon, pabalik-balik siya, tapos may mga words siyang sinasabi.
Hindi natin alam talaga, ano yung uhog ko ba? Hindi natin alam talaga yung paano ba maging normal na tao. Like, sabihin na natin, hindi talaga natin alam yung paano maging normal na tao kasi siguro lumaki tayo na parang as we grow older, nagiging umaangat yung buhay. Pero like, yung aware na talaga tayo na ganun yung buhay natin before, hindi natin alam kung ano.
Hindi ako aware ako Kasi nung panginanganak kami, hindi naman kami sobrang
Hindi, I mean
yaman
like,
agad.
aware ka, pero I mean like, wala kang ganitong pag-iisip. Hindi ka wise pa. Gets ba?
Hindi, ano?
Hindi,
What do you mean?
Hindi ganito.
What are you saying?
Hindi ganito yung mindset mo before.
Na
So,
mahirap yung
Oo,
buhay.
alam mong mahirap ka, pero YOLO. Parang masaya ka pa rin kasi simple yung buhay. Gets ba?
Gets.
Pero
gets,
unlike,
gets.
kunyari, ganitong age na tapos you experience being poor.
Mm,
Parang that's when
yeah,
you
exactly,
realize na
yeah.
parang, shit.
Life is
Ganito.
tough.
Oo.
Parang ganyan.
Yun
Yeah, I
yung
get it,
sinasabi
I get
ko.
it.
Kaya hindi talaga natin masasabi, like hindi natin alam kung what's running in their head talaga.
Exactly. Pero yun nga, different life experiences and background makes people different on how they view life. So, that's the end of the podcast. Oh my gosh, 20 minutes na to. That's it, guys.
Grabe, uhog ko, be.
Uhog pa ba
We'll
yan?
see you in Geneva, Switzerland. Oh my gosh! Thank you, Mom and Dad, for sponsoring this trip. Who do you want to thank?
I want to thank my family, my mom, especially my mom and my dad. My siblings, they're okay. They're there.
Thanks for the
I
moral
mean-
support.
I mean, thank you for being there. But
Thank
thank
you
you for nothing. I wish you give me money though. Especially my older brother. Please give me
Eldest.
money. I know you have more money than I am. I'm struggling right now. I need 10k. Just 10k, please.
Okay, that's it. See you when I see you.
See you tomorrow.
Hindi ko alam kung mapag-vlog pa ako ng mga pupuntahan namin ngayon. Pero, let's see. But, maybe I'll see you in Switzerland. Hi! Ciao! Messi! Bonjour! So today we went to Geneva, Switzerland. Hey guys, this trip started just an impulsive idea and somehow it led us here in Geneva, Switzerland. We started our day going to the flower club because Geneva is known for its watches. Then we walked towards the Jet d'Eau. I don't know, but Geneva, Switzerland gives the quiet and the calm in you. Just looking around and also the people and the vibe there. And after that, we got lost in the best way in the old town. It is very beautiful. It really shows the story in that area. And after that, we also visited a museum. We just saw a beautiful museum. Every piece has its story and it really shows you how the artist really thought about of making the piece. Of course, our Swiss trip wouldn't be complete without trying cheese fondue and of course Swiss food. It is just bread and cheese, but eating it there felt different and more special. Maybe it was the place, the moment, or just the cozy vibe of the restaurant, but it made everything feel a little more meaningful. And as we sat there, I realized it wasn't really about the food and even the places we visited. It was about how it all felt, being present, being together with my friends, and letting the day unfold the way it did. And maybe those are the ones that stays with you the longest.